It's Mackenzie,
And Aaliyah, aka Malia,
and today we're doing our top 5 favorite
slimes, and our top 5 least favorite slimes. Sorry, we got tongue
Who's
twisted.
most likely to mess up the intro?
Me.
Alright, so first
Sorry,
we're going
I'm
to do our favorites. Go ahead and subscribe and like this and comment down some questions for our Q&A that might be posted up tomorrow. So one of my favorites is this white butter slime. It's really pretty. It's really buttery.
Yeah, it's a butter slime.
And you can't rip it.
Yeah, it's unrippable. I've tried so hard. I want to feel this one. Ooh, this one's probably my favorite. Oh my god, we're getting blue in it.
Yeah, whatever.
No, that's I'm gonna get one of the hard slimes.
Really nice slime.
Okay. So this is personally one of my favorites. This is a pink glittery one. It's a little bit sticky, but I like sticky slime. Sorry, Tanner got in the way. This one is a light pink glittery slime. I put some holographic glitter in it, but it didn't really show, so. Sorry, my sister. Ooh, this one's really good with bubbles. Yeah, that was that one.
So this is a teal slime. It's really pretty. And it's a regular slime.
I just burped.
Doesn't have any glitter in it.
It's just a regular slime. Flopped.
She won't be quiet during my pokes.
This one's pretty big. It's like the slime's so small, but the container's really, really big. This is a really, really pretty one. This is a kind of fluffy one. It's just a little bit fluffy. It's a light blue. You can kind of see it. Excuse me, I'm filming a video here.
She has 2 slime spots on her ceiling.
Yeah, because of her.
Yeah. That's for a different video.
Who else up one?
Oh, Scotty. Alright, pause it. Ain't got time. So this is the last one. I call this one banana cream. I don't know what she wants to call it, but she should send it banana because it's literally.
I don't have a banana sign.
Whatever. Shh. You gotta be slime queens.
What the flip?
You live right next to a highway. Kind of like a fluffy slime.
I don't know.
Stop. And that is banana cream.
So now we are going to get on right to the bad slimes. So yeah.
So most of these are funny. They're not. You got that in my hair? Okay, good. Okay, you do you. I'm gonna try to get this out of my hair.
Okay. This is a really, really hard slime.
Most of these are funny because some of them are dried out.
No, how's that funny? Anyways,
They're not really slimes. This isn't a slime.
Don't touch it. There's a hair right there. It's good. Okay, so it's kind of stretchy.
But it's really, it's not really pokeable. Listen. Okay, really? It's bubbly, but listen. It's just hard, okay? It doesn't stretch. I don't like it.
It's hard, but it's not.
Okay, pause it. Slime abuse.
This is hers.
This one is
I made this one while she wasn't here.
It isn't a slime.
Just dump it.
It isn't a slime. It's a liquid.
It's not completely a liquid. Here,
You
let me
can't
try.
even poke it.
Yes,
Can we
you
try
can.
activating it?
No, it won't work. I've used a gallon of freaking activator. This one has a really, really pretty color. This
Yeah,
is
but
hers,
it's literally so small and liquidy. Watch. you leave your finger in it for like 1 second and it gets stuck.
This one I added. Okay, what I did, this was a plain white slime. I added this red Play-Doh right here.
Why would you add Play-Doh?
I added a little tiny bit, and it totally melted it. And then I added some activator, and now it was this.
All right.
That's my story.
All right.
And it's not stretchy at all.
This is supposed to be my least favorite, not yours.
Sorry. It's my least favorite. These work.
No.
Oh.
Okay. Please.
Okay, so this one, I added cotton balls to it. Cotton balls in it. Don't know
Like
why.
the things you put in your mouth, like not real cotton balls, like literally.
I think my mom's coming. Sorry. It's hard.
It's not a slime.
It doesn't even stretch.
Let's try to poke it.
Okay. It won't even go back to place. Like if you do this, say you do this, it doesn't go back to place.
Like literally, watch.
No, I'm gonna try to
Watch.
poke it.
You
I'm gonna
can
try to
like
poke
hold it like this and it won't droop down.
it. Amazing.
Like hold it like this and it won't droop down. It's not doing anything. It's just like.
You pick it up. She grabbed it with her toe. I have to put it back up.
Give me the slime real quick. I'm gonna show them something. That's what you
Okay, guys. So this is her slime.
Yep, this is one of my least favorites. And yeah, so.
Now
You
let's
think it's a slime at first, but like, let's just like. Ugh, it's wet at the bottom.
No, do you see this? What is like? Oh my God, there's a hair. Do you see that?
That's terrible.
Ew.
I'm gonna play with my favorite slime. while
It's like dry. Like you can hear the crunch. Like I don't even want
Look
to
what you just did. You knocked over a slime.
Poor slime. It's like you can't even poke it. Like, why am I doing your slime? This is my last slime.
This is my last slime.
This is a really, really sticky one. I like it, kind of. She doesn't, but I do.
I feel bad for those people who don't have any slime out there.
I know. We're just complaining about all our
Good slimes.
This is like my favorite, but she wanted to put it in because it's sticky.
Sticky.
It's not sticky at all to me. Like, do you see this? My grandma always says that.
There was a girl and she had a butter slime in her hands and she didn't even know how to play with it. That she made butter slime sticky.
I know.
Like it got stuck all over her hands. I'm like, how can you make butter slime sticky?
I'm sorry if you know who we are, like if you know who we're talking about, but sorry, girl.
Her name starts with a
C.
C.
That's a lie, but we're not saying it. We're not even. We're not a choir.
Whoa, whoa, Cameroon.
Bye, guys. Comment down below. Subscribe and
help.
turn on the post notifications to become part of our Malia squad. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.